So, sometimes people say to me, Christina, I'm driving loads of traffic from social media to my website, to my landing pages, but I'm just not converting. There are a few reasons this might be. First of all, maybe that landing page has too many call to actions, it's too much information on there, it's too confusing. And there is that phrase that a confused mind never buys. So look at the landing page, look at it on mobile specifically as well. Actually, how clear is the message there? You really don't want to have more than, I'd say, kind of like about 7 words maximum in the first headline. A nice clear button that is, this is what you need to do next. And don't overcomplicate that page. As soon as we start to overcomplicate it, as soon as people are scrolling and scrolling and scrolling, especially on a mobile device, you start to lose them. So think about that. Also, the people you want landing on that page, have you warmed them up enough first? Have they had enough contact from you at that point for them to be ready to buy? Not everyone is ready to buy the first time they arrive. So just think about it that way. Think about, how do I get people returning to this landing page, especially when maybe it's a higher purchase price and there's more thought involved in actually hitting the buy button. So think about that as well. There is a flip side to this as well. So if you are, and it's probably more relevant if you're B2B and doing a lot on LinkedIn, it might be that you have a network of 30,000 people and you're producing posts, you're producing content on a regular basis, you're getting the likes and the comments and everything else, but you just don't feel like the leads are coming in. Well, actually, what are you doing to take your activity from marketing into sales? Those people that have commented, those people that are liking your content on a regular basis, have you reached out to them one-to-one? Now, when I say that, it might be through LinkedIn Messenger, it might be through capturing data from them directly so that you can just get on the phone. Some of the more traditional ways of selling are still 100% valid today. Don't think that just because you're using social media that you shouldn't ever pick up the phone. What you should be doing is making sure you're doing lots of nice warm calls. The cold calling can kind of slide into the background, because with a solid content strategy, we never need to make a cold call. People know who we are. So when it comes to not only generating leads, but actually being able to convert them, there's just a few tips there for you. I hope that helps. Any other questions on that? If you've got specific situations and you'd like a little bit of advice, just drop that into the comments and I'll see you on another video very, very soon.